शब्दों में अर्थ हो, विचारों में
वैशाली परिवार की ओर से एक प्रतीक चिन्ह देकर सम्मानित करें। विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य श्री वार्ड 60 संजय पांडे जी, सर महोदय भी, मनोज भटपाल जी भी मेरी हैं, तो इसलिए मेरे को ये बड़ा निवेदन करूंगा निवर्तमान पार्षद महोदय श्री मनोज भटपाल जी, जिनको अहमद गुड्डू, मेरे छोटे भाई श्री मनोज जोशी जी पार्षद वार्ड 58 नगर निगम, ये भी बहुत खतरनाक है। खतरनाक इस सेंस में है कि इनको भी जनता का प्यार दुच में है, तो ये वही है, ये बजरंग बली के संवाहक हैं और मारुत तुल्ली बेगम है और मनोजम है। तो इनकी उपस्थिति आज हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा एक गरिमामय उपस्थिति, इनका हमारा बड़ा संबल है। मैं इसके बाद अनुरोध करूंगा कि विद्यालय की प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट और उपलब्धि प्रगति रिपोर्ट के साथ साथ आपको हमारे रेनबो एकेडमी विद्यालय ने क्या क्या उपलब्धियां हासिल करी हैं, क्या क्या प्रगति हमको प्राप्त हुई है, हम कहां पर सोपान पर चढ़ते जा रहे हैं या किस जगह पर हैं, ये सब आप सभी अभिभावकों के कारण है। तो आप इनसे प्रगति रिपोर्ट आप सुन सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
हेलो, पारितोष वह क्षण है जब मेहनत मुस्कुराती है और उपलब्धि बोल उठती है। रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट श्री मोहन बिष्ट जी, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स, distinguished guests, esteemed parents, dedicated teachers, and my dear students, a very warm and wonderful good afternoon to all of you. Today is not just a celebration of success. It is a celebration of effort that did not give up, dreams that did not settle, and achievements that brought pride to every parent, every teacher, and this institution. At Rainbow Academy, we believe that achievement is never accidental. It is shaped by discipline, guided by values, and strengthened by perseverance. This felicitation is a way of acknowledging national platforms. Success is not an accident. It is the result of belief, discipline, and relentless effort. Today, as we gather to celebrate excellence, I stand before you with immense pride because the achievements we honor today are the living proof of dreams nurtured with these very classrooms. Continents. Pragati Bhatt, pursuing commercial pilot training in Johannesburg, South Africa, reminds us that no dream is too big when courage becomes the co-pilot. Some dreams wear a uniform and serve the nation with honor. Determination and a deep sense of duty define those who choose the path of the armed forces. Nirmal Sanwal, selected in Combined Defence Services, CDS. Pranjul Pant, selected in the prestigious National Defence Academy, NDA. They are not just achievers, they are future guardians of our nation. Some journeys led to positions of responsibility and trust. Success becomes meaningful when it contributes to society. Rahul Saroj, selected as Inspector in Central Customs and Excise, stands as a symbol of perseverance, rewarded with public service. Some hearts choose healing as their mission. In a world that needs compassion as much as competence, Khushbu Mehta, appointed as a nursing officer at AIIMS, represents dedication with dignity. Shahwez Ahmed, who qualified NEET, UG and secured an MBBS seat at a government medical college, takes the first step toward saving lives. Some efforts mature into professional excellence. Strong foundations laid in school often become strong careers. Vijay Janotti, an NIT graduate now working with TCS Bangalore, Komal Pandey, selected in PCU Public Sector Undertaking, currently serving at BHEL. Their success reflects consistency, patience, and purpose. Some classrooms open doors to the world. When students step onto global academic platforms, the entire school walks with them in pride. Tanishq Sonkar, selected in the University of Applied Sciences, Berlin, Germany. Gaurav Joshi, selected in the University of Padua, Italy. Some success stories continue year after year. Our legacy of excellence is strengthened by consistent selection in premier universities like Delhi University, Rashmi Jina, Gunjan Jina, Neha Pandey. Some victories are earned through perseverance and practice. JEE Mains achievers Ajay Lohia, Mohak Jaiswal and Apurv Sahu. Every percentile tells a story of late nights and unwavering focus. Some dreams grow from the roots of agriculture and science. Pantnagar University, Apurv Sahu, Priyanshu Preti, Ajay Lohia. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for presenting such a comprehensive and insightful progress report. The report has cleared in the past few academic years. Once again, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Chairperson ma'am for her concerned guidance and visionary leadership.
एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी पंक्ति है, सपनों में जान होती है कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to one of the most meaningful moments of today's program. This segment is dedicated to honoring our distinguished alumni and class 10 toppers whose achievements, dedication and contribution continue to bring pride and inspiration to our institution and to society at large.
Their journey reminds us that success is built on perseverance, values and the courage to grow beyond limitation. Today we express our gratitude and admiration for their remarkable accomplishments. We are truly honored to recognize and felicitate them in the presence of this esteemed gathering.
Now we respectfully invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Dr. Mohan Singh Mistry, to kindly present the prizes to the winners. Pragati Bhatt is a commercial pilot currently working in Johannesburg, South Africa. Apurv Sahu is pursuing BTech from Pantnagar. Priyanshu Preti is pursuing BTech from Pantnagar. Mohak Jaiswal has studied at Pantnagar and qualified CUET. Ajay Lohia is pursuing BTech from Pantnagar. Nirmal Sanwal CDS, who was commissioned into the Indian Army.
लेकिन बड़ा होने से लेके बड़ा बनने तक की जो सफर है वो आज उसका सम्मान है. साधारण से अति साधारण, ऑर्डिनरी से एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बनने की जो यात्रा है वो आपके सामने आज फलीभूत हो रही है. मैं सभी अभिभावकगण को ये आग्रह करूंगा, अपने बच्चों के अंदर ऐसे ही संस्कार, ऐसी ही शिक्षा, ऐसे ही नैतिक मूल्य डालिए. और सबसे बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी होती है माँ. माँ से बड़ी कोई यूनिवर्सिटी, कोई स्कूल नहीं होता है. कोई भी ग्लोबल स्कूल, कोई भी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल.
And Spoon and Lemon race by kindergarten boys and girls held on 26th of April, which showcased the students' agility, determination and sportsmanship.
For LKG class boys in obstacle race, the winner. Third position goes to Lucky Sharma, position goes to Kartik Bhatt, and the first position goes to Anand Chaube. Please appreciate them with a huge round of applause.
Chiranjeevi couple. Please put your hands together for all of them.
बेचारे का मुंह लाल हो गया होगा अब तक।
For LKG class boys in obstacle race, the winners were: third position goes to Shivam Sahu, second position goes to Garvit Singh Mehta, and the first position goes to Devansh Bhatt. Please give them a thunderous round of applause.
From UKG class girls in obstacle race, the winners were: third position goes to Mahira, second position goes to Kavya Rana, and the first position goes to Anshika Chamyal. Please give them a huge round of applause.
एक छोटा सा स्मृति चिन्ह मेमेंटो हमारे रेनबो एकेडमी परिवार की ओर से स्वीकार करने का कष्ट करें, कृपा करें। धन्यवाद। विधायक डॉक्टर मोहन सिंह बिस्ट्री
की
जय।
अभी धूप तेज हो गई मुझे लग रहा है, लेकिन शर्मा जी चाय पानी चालू रखे हुए हैं। भारत माता की
जय।
रेम्बो प्रबंधक और सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता, और अगर मैं कहूँ मूल रूप से हमारे समाज के बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले पत्रकार के रूप में भी आप अपना समाज में योगदान। श्रीमती रुचि शर्मा जी हमारे बीच में बहुत विशिष्ट लोग यहाँ पर हैं, और आप लोग समाज के
With a huge round of applause.
की चेयरपर्सन मिसेस रुचि शर्मा से अनुरोध करूंगा कि आज के मुख्य अतिथि माननीय डॉक्टर श्री मोहन सिंह बिस्ट्री जी का
ਸੁਣੀ ਦਾ ਪਿੰਡ ਸੁਣੀ ਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਓਏ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਓ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਯਾਰਾ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਹਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਟਿਮ ਟਿਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਟਿਮ ਟਿਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਓ ਛੱਡ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਏ ਮੇਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਓ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਹਾਰਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਏ ਮੇਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਵੱਜਦਾ
Welcome.
Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Enrich our learning and lead us towards wisdom and enlightenment. Adding rhythm to this performance, we have our skills instrumentalist. On Casio, we have Jayant Bhatt and Kushagra.
Was mentioned today are proud alumni of our institutions. Despite our best efforts, a few could not be contacted personally. However, their achievements deserve recognition and a heartfelt applause.
Now, we proudly recognize the class 10 toppers of the previous year for their outstanding academic performance, dedication and perseverance. Their achievement is stand as a benchmark of excellence and a source of inspiration for future batches.
Let me first introduce you all to those toppers who got in at ease. May we now request the following achievers to kindly come forward and receive their honor. Aryan Tasila, 81%, Natik Sahu,
Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhan Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deep Jyotir Namostute. With the divine blessings of Almighty, we humbly begin today's program.
an auspicious good afternoon to one and all present over here. Guest of honors, respected chairperson ma'am, manager sir, principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, proud parents, dear achievers and my lovely friends. I am Avika Pal.
And I am Gitanjali Badli.
We both are thrilled to be your host for today's amazing event, Rainbow's Felicitation Day 2025-2026.
It's a very special and proud moment of our institution as we gathered here to celebrate a day which is dedicated to honoring excellence, hard work, dedication and achievers who have made us proud through their determination throughout the year.
पारिश्रमस्य यः सारः साधनायं फलं शुभम साहि पारितोषो नाम या हर्षम जनयेत सदा। अर्थात परिश्रम का सार और साधना का शुभ फल ही पारितोष है जो सदा हर्ष, गर्व और प्रेरणा का संचार करता है।
So, the theme of today's most awaited program is Let's now cheer for our tiny champ as we announce the winners.
In nursery boys, the third position was secured by Mitash, the second position was secured by Daksh Kumar, and the first position was secured by Harshan Dumka. A warm round of applause for our nursery boys.
शान दुमका की फोटो भी आई है सामने, आ गई। रुको शान दुमका जाने में डर रहा है। फर्स्ट मेडल फर्स्ट का, उसको मेडल भी देने में फर्स्ट का वही तो, हाँ वही मैं कहूँ। हाँ जा रहा है।
In nursery girls, the third position was secured by Simran, the second position was secured by Advika Sahu, and the first position was secured by Tanvika Pandey. Let us appreciate our nursery girls with a cheerful round of applause.
आ गया आ गया मैडम के पास जाएगा अपनी। वहाँ जाओ। हाँ वो है सामने।
In LKG boys, the third position was secured by Navneet, the second position was secured by Bobby Kashyap, and the first position was secured by Ayash Bhatt. A big round of applause for these enthusiastic performers.
देख रहा है क्या जो दे। हाँ काम भी हो रहा है। अब लगा रहा है इनकी हवा लगा रहा है, देख दो भी देखेगा ऐसे देख रहा, उल्टा पुल्टा के देख रहा है। अपने आगे वाले को ब्लॉग करी। ए पागल लड़की कहाँ दिख रहा है? इधर
In LKG girls, the third position was secured by Harshita Pargai, the second position was secured by Yashika Belwal, and the first position was secured by Chitra Mehtulia. Let us cheer for our LKG girls with a resounding round of applause.
इसको यहाँ पे खड़ा करो, नक्श यहाँ पे खड़े हो। ले इसको भी पकड़ ले अपने, ले इसको भी पकड़, अपना ये सर्टिफिकेट पकड़ो।
Shiny partner of the class 4th of Blazers House. Please give them a thunderous round of applause.
कुछ ही करो मॉम को, आप दिखाओ ये गोल्ड मेडल।